Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm LuceStephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with my channel, and turn the notification bell if you want to miss any of my future videos. If you don't know already, I'm uploading a brand new video every single day in September. I've been unboxing some amazing advent calendars. We've had ASOS, Charlotte Tilbury, Revolution, and today I'm back with another bougie one. This is so heavy. This is the, oh my god, HARRODS advent calendar, and she is huge, heavy, she's good quality, she's sturdy, and so she should be for £250. £250, so I'm going to try and show you whilst holding up, even though she's super heavy. So it opens up like this, and then the inside is actually like HARRODS shop front, which is so cute. And we have all of the drawers. This is probably the most expensive. I kind of put it on my desk because when I put it on my desk a second ago, it made my desk go down. It's so heavy. This is honestly so bougie, but I watched an advent calendar unboxing of it and I was like, oh my god, it's got some amazing stuff in it, and treat yourself. She says after all the advent calendars she's been buying. I will leave my previous advent calendar unboxings linked below. I have a full playlist, but let's just get into this. So each day is actually worth £10. When you break it down like that, it's not as like crazy, but when you think that I've just spent £250 on an advent calendar, that's when it becomes crazy. I have also ordered the P. Louise one. I do also have the next one to unbox as well, and there is some other ones coming. So again, super luxury packaging, really sturdy, like literally like the best advent calendar boxing so far. It's absolutely stunning. I can imagine people keeping this, collecting and like kind of storing things in it as well. Yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy using this afterwards. But starting off with day number 1, we have a Augustinus Bader or Barder, the Rich Cream. This is a 15ml. This is just what it looks like. I've heard such good things about this brand, and this bottle is worth £71. £71. I will say all these advent calendars that I've been getting, they have some bougie skincare in them, like absolutely bougie. So I'm really excited to try some bougie stuff that I would never ever normally purchase separately. Moving on to day number 2, which just looks like this. Oh, we've actually got 2 products inside this one. This is the, oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but me and Alex were literally talking about this yesterday or the day before, because she really wants to try, I think she said the hair mask and the oil. But for day 2, you get the shampoo and you get the conditioner, which is so nice to actually get both in one, because they could have very easily have separated this out across 2 days, but they haven't. So you've got 2 products in one day, and they're actually like really decent sizes as well. It says online that they are honey infused shampoo and conditioners, and they have like a very nourishing weightless formula, and both of them retail for £9 each if you were going to buy them separately. Moving on to day number 3, and we actually have 2 products inside this one as well. So we have a full-size Eve Lom cleanser, 50ml, and it looks like you also get a cleansing cloth to go with it, which you can literally never have enough of these, although I do prefer like the more spongy ones. But yeah, this is a full-size cleanser. Let's have a little sniff. Oh, it has like a funny smell to it. I don't know what that is. It smells very like expensive. If that makes any sense. That's what that looks like, and that is worth £48. Isn't that insane for a cleanser? £48. Wow. Okay. And then for day number 4, this is the Treat Tincture Daily/PM Serum by Dr. AJ Sternham. It says it's a sophisticated formula. It gives you like youth enhancing actives within it, and it makes your skin become firmer, clearer and more lifted. This advent calendar is actually incredible. This little serum is worth £130. Wow, because I believe the contents in this advent calendar is worth over £1,000. So I can tell why, because we're having some hefty doors. Some hefty doors. For day number 5, oh, I think this is Charlotte Tilbury. Yes, I've actually just got one of these in my Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to go check out that unboxing. But this is the Charlotte Tilbury, of course, Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mini Mascara. The packaging is super, super cute for this one. So again, I'm excited to try that. I've got 2 of them now. I feel like that was worth maybe like 15, 13 something pound. I can't bother looking it up again. I'm too excited. Let's move on to day number 6. We have, I think, a face mask. This is the Revive Instant Depuffing Gel Eye Mask. Looks like a little superhero. And this is what it looks like. And to buy just one of these is £20. Then for day 7, it's a heavy one, looks like a bottle. Oh yeah. It's an Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Muscle Bath and Shower Oil. It says experience the intensely warming and easing powers of rosemary, ginger and black pepper to help to soothe and recover. It says warm 1 cupful in cupped hands, slowly breathe in the experience of the power of aromatherapy and massage the hydrating oil onto torso before stepping into the bath or shower. It says it contains 20 wellbeing experiences. I really like how they've worded that. And this is a 55ml bottle. It's really interesting that you actually put that into cupped hands and smell it. I've had that experience obviously when I'm going to spas and rubbing it into your torso. I wonder if that kind of helps to really soak it in. This retails for £55 for a 55ml bottle, which is bougie, so bougie. Then right at the bottom we have day number 8, and this has a Dr. Barbara Sturm Hyaluronic Serum. This is a 10ml one. This is the packaging. Again, this is a brand that I've heard so many good things about. And this 10ml bottle of a serum is worth £85. Some people be living different lives to us, baby. Different lives. Oh my god, day 9 is a Kylie product. This is the Kylie High Gloss in 001 Crystal. And it is just a clear gloss. It hasn't got any sparkle or anything to it. I don't think I own any Kylie glosses. I don't think. And of course it is full size, so it retails for £17. Then we have day number 10, which I am so excited about. This is a full-size Elemis product, which Elemis, again, so luxurious. This is the Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. It says Wrinkle Smoothing Replenishing Night Cream. And I actually have a Elemis advent calendar. I don't know if it'll be up by now. I think I might put this one up before my Elemis one. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss my Elemis advent calendar unboxing. This is a 30ml tub, which means if you wanted to buy this, it's £105. Yeah. So very, very happy with day number 10. Then we have day 11, and I have tried some stuff from this brand before. This is the Christoph Robin. I'm pretty sure this has been in like a Glossy box or like a Look Fantastic box before. And this is the Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. Yeah, this is the 75ml tub. And then this is just what the actual scrub itself looks like. It smells really, really nice. You only need a little bit, otherwise it'll be a nightmare to try and like rinse out afterwards. And the 75ml tub retails for £18 if you wanted to try it out. Day number 12, we get like a little leaflet in this one. So this is the Bio Effect A Drop of Innovation Serum. And this is a 15ml bottle. It says to apply to face and neck. It's just like a clear formula. It says it helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It helps to boost hydration, moisture retention for smoother, plumper and firmer skin. And it's meant to enhance complexion and even skin tone as well. It says it's an award-winning age-defying serum with barley EGF that reduces the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, boosts hydration and restores healthy-looking skin with only 7 pure ingredients. And retail price for this 15ml is £129. Crazy. Day 14 is like hidden at the bottom. Oh, we have a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Colour in the shade Rose Gold. Oh, so at least it's a colour that I would actually get my use out of. So it's one of their stick eyeshadow crayons. And that is what the colour looks like. So definitely, I wouldn't even say rose gold, to be fair. I would just say gold for that. Like a sparkly gold colour. This is full size, therefore it would retail for £26. Door 15 has a huge bottle inside. This is the Ren. Oh my god, I've had little ones of these before. And I don't even know if I got round to trying them or whether they're in like my drawer of things like to get round to trying once I've used something else though. But this is the Ren Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is meant to be absolutely amazing, like way better than the Pixie Tonic. And this is a huge 250ml bottle. The ones that I've had before, have been like smaller bottles. I don't know where I've stashed them, probably in Narnia. If you're one of my patrons, you know what Narnia is. But yeah, 250ml bottle in this one. I'm surprised it actually fits in that door because it literally just fits in super snug. It says it has willow bark in it to encourage cell renewal, lactic acid to gently exfoliate, and then azelaic acid precursor to brighten skin. And that retails for £28. Absolutely huge bottle in that one. Very happy with that. For day 16, we have, oh my god, this is definitely a bougie brand because I've heard of this before. The Aqua Di Parma. You know it's a bougie brand when I can't pronounce it. That's where you know it's not basic. This is the bath and shower gel. It's a 75ml bottle. Very, very bougie. I always feel like as well when it's like a bougie brand, the packaging is very minimal. Like very, very like minimalistic, bougie, posh looking. Oh, it does smell like a spa. Oh, that smells really nice. Very, very strong, like very strong. I'm not too sure how much the 75ml bottle is, but the 200ml is £43. If I knew that I knew it was going to be bougie because you could just tell by the look of it, but I didn't think it was going to be that bougie. Like, that's insane. And then moving on to, oh my god, day 17, which is a full-size Sunday Riley product. This is their CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. It says with advanced vitamin C, it says that it visibly brightens, hydrates, balances, and makes the skin glow. It has like so much information on the box, which is really good, like explaining what the different products are, like what the ingredients are, what that means, and saying as well that you can combine this with other vitamin C products. And if you were to purchase this separately, this would retail for £34. Day 18, where are you? There you are, right in the middle. I'm excited for this one. This is the Live and Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. This is a 90ml bottle, which is like a travel size one, I believe. And I've heard so many good things about this, like how this like literally makes your hair look like it's being freshly like done. I love Batiste. You all know this. I've literally just used up another tin of Batiste. Like, it's my go-to. I've never had anything compare to it. But this is meant to be like next level. And that would retail for £15. So you can see why I haven't picked it up to try it yet, because it's quite expensive, but I am excited to see what it's like. And then for day 19, oh my god, day 19 is really heavy. We have a huge, what are you? It's a night recovery solution by Evidence. Again, I know it's going to be bougie when I can't pronounce it. And it comes with like a little leaflet inside it as well. It says, youth is relative, beauty is absolute. I really like that. I mean, you can tell it's bougie by the little badge on the lid as well. But it says online that this rehydrates the skin in depth. It says it boosts the skin's natural overnight repair functions and it fights against premature aging. This 30ml tub retails for £80. Moving on to day 20, you all know by now, if you've watched my advent calendar unboxings, day 20 is my birthday. I always hope for an amazing one on my birthday. Oh my god, it's makeup. Whoop, 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 whoop. So for day 20, we have a Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks, and it says it's in the shade Powder Pink number 6. So not only is it a makeup product, it's a lip product, which is, oh no, is my weakness. It's very different because it's like a little, like an actual like little pot. Oh, it's very natural, like very, very natural looking. It like almost looks browny on the camera, but it is got like a brown hue to it, but it has like a little bit of a peachy nude to it as well. You can see it a bit better there for sure. I probably use this more so on my cheeks. I probably wouldn't use it on my lips, just because I prefer stuff like that on my cheeks. I've not really tried much from Bobbi Brown, so I'm very happy to get that on my birthday. And we already know that that'll be an expensive one. Anyway, we're definitely getting our £10 worth on that day. Oh my god, a massive one for day 21. Literally opened it, you could see a huge box. This is the Rhodium Dragon's Blood Eye Gel, and this is a 15ml bottle. It says cooling gel to refresh and hydrate tired eyes. The eye area appears brighter with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles reduced whilst refining the skin's surface. The Dragon Blood comforts and restores through skin hydration. The hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting moisturisation. The arnica reduces the appearance of underlying puffiness, and the haloxyl, which I don't know how to pronounce, says it helps to lift and firm the appearance of the eye area. Apply it on the eye area and under the brow bone twice daily. And again, we are definitely getting our £10 value behind this door, because this 50ml tub is worth £64. So yeah, Harrods, wow. These big value products, normally you would just get like one of them in the advent calendar and it'd be like the last day. This is actually such an amazing advent calendar, and I know it's so much skincare, but like it's stuff that I would never ever buy. Oh, so excited. And again, to carry on the excitement, going into day 22 is a Dermalogica product. I love Dermalogica skincare. Their cleansers are just the next level, like unbelievable. And this is actually one of them. So this is the pre-cleanse. I've gone through a full size bottle of this. I absolutely love it. It cost me a fortune, especially because I bought it at a spa. So it cost me a fortune. So I'm very, very glad to have this back in my life. I'm definitely going to keep this for when I travel. It's nothing worse than not being able to get all your makeup off and just like wanting to feel clean and get into your hotel room. And especially when I'm going to London for work as well. Like I just want to be refreshed, ready for work the next day. And yeah, this is a 30ml tub and this is just what it looks like. So yeah, literally is perfect for travel. And that tub is worth £15. Now day number 23, where are you? Here you are. Ooh, oh, this one I'm actually really excited to try as well. This is the shampoo, I think that's how you pronounce it, Pitta Growth Serum, which is formulated to thicken, volumize and strengthen hair. My hair just seems to have just lost so much of its thickness, and that retails for £34. Oh my god, we're getting near the end. I'm getting sad because I'm really enjoying it. Next one is day 24, which is a NARS product. I actually already have this. This is the NARS Power Matte Lipstick in the shade Dragon Girl. So I'm going to pop that one back in there and we'll move on to the last and final one. We have day number 25, which comes in a little Harrods pouch. And then inside here, we have a Between Two Trees perfume. This is what the packaging looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the brand name. And then this is what the bottle looks like. I must admit, that smells so nice. It's a 10ml bottle, and if you were to buy this, it'd be £60 for 10ml. Hence why I'm sniffing it and not spraying it, because this would be getting saved for special occasions. That actually smells so nice though. I wonder how much it is for like the proper sizes. Well, the packaging is like so funky for it. But this one is a 50ml bottle that I've just showed you a picture of, and it retails for £260 for the 50ml one. So I really can't be falling in love with perfumes like this because I don't have that kind of money. But again, such a nice, bougie, luxurious treat, and definitely worth the £10. That's the door cost itself. So I just love the fact that it came like in a little Harrods pouch as well. Just unbelievable. I've honestly never had such a bougie, high value advent calendar before, and I'm so impressed. It's so bougie. But yeah, that is the Harrods 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar, and I still can't believe I'm saying that and that I have this in my hand. Insane. But yeah, I want to know what you think, because I think personally old me would have been like, oh my god, that's so much skincare. But because I've watched people unbox it and them explaining about the skincare and how much it's worth and what it does, it really made me be like, oh my god, I want to try that. Like, that sounds so interesting. I would never buy that full size or full price. So why not try it in an advent calendar where I'm paying £10 for the door? If I don't like it, then at least I've tried it and I've not spent like £80 on something or £60 on a perfume and I've not actually liked it, or it's not lasted very long. But yeah, it's still insane that this cost £250. Still like blows my mind. But I'd love to know what you think down below. Is this one that you actually get? Because I know there is some bougie gals that watch my videos. I would love to know what you think down below. Let's have a little chat in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I will be back tomorrow for a brand new video, and go check out all my other videos from September so far. Love you so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.